Hello, I am Mitul,
And I'm Krishna.
and today we will be looking into the Helm template command. Let's look into the help information for the template command. We can do that by Helm template dash dash help. First, let's look within the description. The render the Helm template command. It helps you to verify a chart before you install into your Kubernetes cluster. So what happens is it takes your all the template files and all the values that it needs. It either uses the default values, or if any value it needs from the cluster, it takes those values and renders that output locally for you to verify that information. A lot of the parameters that we see here, they are very similar to the install command and upgrade command. So you can, before installing any chart that you like, you can use the same process as you would use to install a command, install a chart into your Kubernetes cluster. Instead, here we are just using the template command. And the syntax for rendering a chart is Helm template. Then name, this name is should be your release name, followed by the name of the chart and some optional flags as they are listed here. So let's try to render a template locally. I will do Helm template. Name of our release, we will call it my-wordpress. Name of the chart, we will pick from bitnami and WordPress. And we are not going to provide any other flags. I'll press enter. What this has done is it has rendered all the templates with their final values, and some of the values could be fake. This helps us verify a chart before we finally install it in our Kubernetes cluster. So when you are authoring a chart, this is a nice way for you to render a chart locally before installing it in your cluster, just like the install commands dry run dash dash debug. If you want to look at that, you can do Helm install, then my WordPress, name of the chart, dry run. This is also, and dash dash debug. This is also another way for you to verify your chart before installing it into your Kubernetes cluster. In here, you get to see the notes as well as the additional information that is displayed on the top, which is the values for the default values of the chart. And all the other flags, they behave the same as they were behaving in the install and upgrade command. So there is nothing more to share in the template command. That's all for today's video, and we'll see you next time.